good afternoon. Welcome. I have finally found a video editing software. So I have downloaded it. I'm going to give it a go. And yeah, but enough about me, and I hope everyone is well. But here's what you're wanting to see, apart from my good self. And there she is, sitting there looking all good. All the bits and pieces I've got out of it. No, that is not mine. I do not drink. That's the person that's helping me. Got a few tools and everything. Just move these back. It has been raining. Now I haven't opened her up all weekend, so let's open her up and see how she goes. And you'll see a huge difference. Oof. So some paper's fallen. So I've done some oxide spraying. Oh god, it's hot in here. Ooh. Oh, and it's potent. I'm gonna have to open it up fully. Otherwise I'm not gonna be able to breathe. Ugh. Whew. Yeah, so some paper's fallen off, but that's easily put back on. But we're not doing the floor yet, because as you see by the floor, there's heaps of holes in it. So the roof has been done. That's been oxide, but need to put another coat onto that. And then it's time to do the deadeners. The deadeners will be put on, and some rock wool insulation. My other thing that I really want to get, I'm getting attacked by newspaper here, is I want to get some new seats, but they're not cheap. They're really not cheap. And I want to move that handbrake to a sort of a button one, because if that stays there, then I can't swivel this chair around like I would like to be able to. Another thing you may notice with the front here, I've taken that big piece off there. That's gone. And these are called deadeners. So they will basically stop noise, extra noise. So if I put a couple more on, you can see some are on the sides already. Only one strip. I'll probably put a couple more up. So, and there's a couple on the roof here. They've been put up sparingly. All the foam is out of the sides. The power box is out. Got to fix all that, because I'm going to have the power box up the front here. And it's going to be sitting on the top. So this is where all my power will be, above my head. And then I'll have another big box here for storage, and over here, and then probably a little cubby there to put like pillows and sheets and stuff in as well. So the van is coming. It's getting there. It's just a matter of just a matter of funds and time now, because I'm working a lot, and yeah, There's the old floor. So I have to measure all that up and get all new pieces of stuff made for the floor. So, fun and games. Oh, that closed. I was wondering what made that noise. It's not Christmas anymore, is it? I had that on the back windows while we were away. So that's just to give you guys an idea of what's actually going on, if there's any hold-ups, which there's no real hold-ups, just all these holes in the floor. There's one there, one there, one there, one there. It's like spot the hole in the floor. So Gavin and I have to come to an idea of which holes are staying, which holes are going. I mean, I don't really want any holes in the floor, to be perfectly honest with you. It is good to have like one or two if I want to have a sink or something, but I don't want a sink. I really do not want a sink. I don't want a shower in here. I don't want I want the kitchen and everything like that, but right there on that wheel arch is where the bed will be. It's going to be a Murphy bed, so it'll fold up. I'm going to have my display case here, and on the side of my display case will be the television, and it can swivel around to the bed, and it can be watched from the bed, or it can be swiveled all the way around and it can face outside and whatnot. Because like I said, this is going to be my gaming / travel van. It's going to have, with the cabinet here, it'll display my pops, my glasses that Mum gave me for my birthday. Nice Mandalorian glasses. My favourite pops that I've got, and I'll rotate them every couple of months. And yeah, enough power, so I've got to get another solar panel, and better batteries and stuff like that. I've got to fix up in here as well. Make sure I don't clip that. Got to fix up in here as well. Got the it's a little bit of a mess. I haven't turned it on for a while. I can't open the doors properly. The passenger door has gone. I think there's something in the fuses that's gone awry or something like that. The horn doesn't work and the windows won't go down, and I need to get a whole new button thing, but I want to get a whole new system put in because I don't like the button system on them. They're very fragile, so I'm going to see if there's another sort of a button system that can be put in. And I really want new chairs. $2,000 per chair. It's disgusting. Comfort though, yes. But that's the other thing that's holding it back too, if I want to get new chairs, is that handbrake. Why they would put a handbrake right there, I don't understand. But yeah. And that be the way the cookie crumbles today with the van. Doesn't she look good? I think so. Don't really have to do the oxide in there. I'll probably do a little bit up in the sides. I don't want to get any on the air conditioner unit. So yes, so we'll close her up, and that'll be the video done. So I wish it was a bit tidier, cleaner and everything, but it is what it is. What I'm gonna do today. Is it going to close by itself, or will I have to hold it? No, today it will close by itself. I don't have to hold it. Huzzah. Well, that's the video. Please like and subscribe if you wish to do a coffee for me. Thank you. I have the video editing software now, so it is a lot better. And I'm going to learn how to use it. They say it's for beginners, so hey, can't hurt to have a look. So thank you for watching. Cheers.